Well, Bob, sounds like something that you might be interested in auditioning for, either Sunshine Boys or Billy Elliot, maybe?
I can do both. I'll give it a shot. You know, John Scalzi's pretty good at that, too, so we'll see what happens there. I tell you, it looks like rainfall will be around throughout the day tomorrow, so a good time to be indoors watching some movies or possibly ABC 7, right, to start things off throughout the day.
Definitely. What about the middle of the week?
We are still going to see this rain around, too, it looks like, for the next several days at least. The threat of showers and storms will be the heaviest to the north of us right now, but the Van Wezel webcam showing the rain was heavy at times in Sarasota Bay. Coming on shore a couple different times throughout the afternoon and evening, and then not much of a sunset tonight due to the fact we had so many clouds around. Circling around this area of low pressure, this low pressure area will not do much in terms of develop over the next several days, but it will stay stagnant, and that means more clouds and showers are anticipated for the Suncoast. This one from Nokomis, Mike Shanley getting this one, a nice one. Thanks for the photo. Pics at mysuncoast.com. Well, the Titan radar picture showing the activity here continuing to spin right there. It's a broad area of low pressure. The news is, though, it's been over land, but it is drifting a little bit off toward the west as of late and a little bit to the south. Now, this large area of rainfall is slowly heading toward the Tampa Bay area at this time, but we're not going to see this for at least a few hours if we see it at all. There's a good chance we'll see redevelopment, though, out ahead of that, and then move on shore here along Manatee, Sarasota, and Charlotte counties through the morning hours, especially after 3, 4 o'clock. Right now near Cedar Key and places to the east and south, pretty big line of storms there. Rainfall amounts have not been all that impressive for us. A different story to the north, though. Near Lakewood Ranch and south thereof and east of I-75, you can see we had up to about 1.5 to 2 inches of rain. 78 right now at the Sarasota Braden Airport, and some light rain. The dew point is at 73. As far as the high goes today, it was right at 90, right at the average, 97 the record set back in 1989. This morning's low was a few degrees above average, and we'll see overnight readings a little bit higher than normal as a result of this west to southwest wind flow. And it looks as though we will see a little bit better chance for some more accumulation for coastal locations over the upcoming days. 76 in Jacksonville. It's 78 right now in Orlando, and 1 degree warmer in Miami, a bit warmer in the Keys, too. Temperatures all into the upper 70s to low 80s, although 76 in Punta Gorda now, one of the cooler readings, and that's pretty much where they'll stay for a low for the overnight. Now, the forecast for Monday does call for occasional showers and thunderstorms, some of which will bring some locally heavy rainfall at times. We're not anticipating anything severe with these storms as they make their way through, but this particular model, again, depicting that area of rainfall entering into the picture sometime after sunrise. And on this particular model, showing some pretty heavy weather in terms of rainfall throughout the late morning, early afternoon on and through Monday. And then you'll see another little piece of energy kind of rotating around this area of low pressure on Tuesday morning. And then that moves on through, and then Tuesday afternoon, another line of showers. So you get the picture with this area of low pressure just kind of hanging there. We'll see a series of these little disturbances moving on through, and it will bring us a pretty good chance for some moderate to heavy rainfall. This is the depiction of the forecast model of the area along the west coast of Florida, plus 4 inches in the yellow, as you see right there. And that is through Tuesday afternoon, and then through the evening of Tuesday night, we could see up to 4 inches of rainfall with Monday and Tuesday's total. Elsewhere in the tropics, we're watching this area of disturbed weather well east of the Bahamas, but it doesn't have much of a chance to develop, only 20% at this time. For boaters, a little bit windier out there, a moderate chop on the bays and inland waters, and the water temperature now at 87 degrees. UV index will be lower as a result of the cloud cover. High tide upcoming 4:31, low tide at 11:31. Tonight, overnight storms redeveloping, a good chance for storms. And then for tomorrow, look for scattered showers and a few thunderstorms. Mostly cloudy otherwise, rain chance fairly high. And we'll see that the rain chance staying fairly high right in through Tuesday. Wednesday, a little bit down, but still at 60%. So as we always say, keep those umbrellas handy.